Hello and welcome to the Tooling Insight channel. In this video, we will demonstrate a single drop manifold hot runner system and wiring. This cylinder is powered by a hydraulic oil system and moves the SVG pin forward and backward. The SVG hot runner system with hydraulic cylinders is a type of hot runner system that uses hydraulic cylinders to control the opening and closing of the valve gates. The valve gates are responsible for controlling the flow of molten plastic into the mold cavity. By using hydraulic cylinders, the SVG hot runner system offers precise control over the flow of plastic, resulting in consistent, high-quality parts. The hydraulic cylinders used in the SVG hot runner system are designed to be robust and reliable. They can withstand the high pressures and temperatures associated with the plastic injection molding process, ensuring that the valve gates operate smoothly and efficiently. The SVG hot runner system with hydraulic cylinders also offers several other advantages over traditional hot runner systems. Okay, let's get started. So, before you wire the thermocouple, you must first determine the type of thermocouple you are using the sheet found in the manufacturer's manual. In this case, it is a Type J thermocouple. So, in a Type J thermocouple, the white represents the positive and the red represents the negative. If you switch the polarity from negative to positive, it will either not work or will display a false reading. Nozzle drop 1 is zone 1, and this plug can connect zone 1 to 13. This is a power plug, and the other is a thermocouple plug. So this is our drop 1 heater wire, and we're going to connect it to zone 1, and this is going to the heater plug, and this green wire is for grounding. We're going to begin wiring our zone 1 heater, which will connect to here. So the next wire opposite is called 13, and this is our zone 1. That means we'll connect the drop 1 heater to zone 1. The next step is to connect the drop 1 thermocouple and the zone 1 TC. I'm displaying the plug's reverse side. Power in zone 1. As a result, I'm going to connect on the back zone 1 TC. So this is the front side of the plug, and we're going to connect it to the back side of the TC plug. Now, as previously stated, we will connect the zone 1 thermocouple according to the manufacturer code. Continue the other zones with manifold heaters and inlet heaters in accordance with the hot runner designer's plaque plate. Conclusion: the SVG hot runner system with hydraulic cylinders is an excellent choice for manufacturers looking to achieve precision control over the flow of plastic in the plastic injection molding process.